lost track of the weight on my back and the stones caught in my shoes. And I walked all the way from the Evergreen State just to sing the Temptation Blues. Burn the devil from my shoulder. Days pass, but I'm not getting older. Oh, let me feel the sting. What a fragile mortal thing. Home with the fire in my bones and a hammer in my hands. Little did I know of the winter and snow and the famine of northern lands. Sloth and sleep and distance and apathy. I lost sight of the race set in front of me. Oh, save me from myself. Like a clay jar high on a shelf. What treasures within, commitment worn thin. Oh, suffer me not to fall. Now I need to wake up from my sleep and take fate in my own hands. To follow the snow to the places I know, while the faith I built still stands. Oh, death, where is thy sting? What a fragile mortal thing, to be fretted away on the whims of today. Oh, suffer me not to fall. Oh, suffer me not to fall. Oh, suffer me not to fall. Thank you.